Hello everyone, this is Dr. Balkrishna Kandpal. Today I will discuss the great Indian physicist. There have been many physicists whose invention and contribution have changed the face of science, and India is a proud home to many of them. Their works, methods, procedure and theory are being studied and taught all over the world. Presenting you the top Indian physicists and what makes them different from the others. First of all, I want discuss Dr. C.V. Raman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, or C.V. Raman as he was called, is remembered for his revolutionary contribution to physics. His invention of the Raman effect is a unique phenomenon in scattering of light. He earned him the Nobel Prize of Physics in 1930. Raman completed his schooling at the age of 13 with a scholarship and received a gold medal from his alma mater, University of Madras. He was facilitated with a number of awards like Hughes Medal in 1930, the Bharat Ratna in 1954 by the Government of India, and Lenin Peace Prize in 1954. He was also elected as Fellow of Royal Society in 1924 and was knighted in 1929. India celebrates National Science Day on 28 February, the day he discovered the Raman effect in his honor. The next physicist I do want here discuss, his name is Satyendra Nath Bose. Satyendra Nath Bose was an Indian physicist which is known for his contribution in the field of quantum mechanics. He invented the Bose-Einstein condensate along with Albert Einstein, and the boson particle was named after him. His inventions led to formation of the Large Hadron Collider and experiments conducted in it. He studied in the Presidency College in Kolkata, which is the institution to some of most known and respected scholars of country. He was a polyglot and his interests ranged from various fields in science, art and mathematics. Rabindranath Tagore dedicated his book Vishwa Parichay, his only science book, to Bose. Bose was conferred with Padma Vibhushan in 1954 by Government of India and was elected as Fellow of Royal Society. Next physicist I do want to discuss here is Meghnad Saha, one of the most prominent astrophysics of the world. Meghnad Saha was known for his creation of Saha concept and Saha ionization equation, a concept including theories and quantum and statistical mechanics, which is developed in 1920. It is also called a Saha-Langmuir equation. Saha was also popular for his notable scientific work and his contribution to building several scientific institutions like Physics Department in Allahabad University and Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics in Kolkata. Interestingly, Saha was the chief architect of river planning in India and prepared the initial plan for Damodar Valley project. Saha was also a fellow of the Royal Society. Next physicist I do want to discuss here, his Homi Jahangir Bhabha was referred as father of nuclear program. He founded the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Trombay Atomic Energy Establishment, which was renamed to Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC. His contribution to nuclear physics is unforgettable. He gained international prominence by creating the process of Bhabha scattering, which is an electron-positron scattering process. He too was a fellow of Royal Society and was awarded by Adams Prize in 1942 by University of Cambridge and Padma Bhushan in 1954 by Government of India. Next scientist, physicist I do want to discuss here, he is Dr. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, was an Indian astrophysicist who is known for his theory of Chandrasekhar limit. He worked in various areas like quantum theory on the hydrogen anion, radioactive transfers, theory of white dwarf, and stellar dynamics. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983 along with William Fowler. He studied in Presidency College Madras and Trinity College in London. He was the recipient of Adams Prize in 1948, the Royal Medal in 1962, the Copy Medal in 1968, the National Medal in Medal of Science in 1966, and Heinemann Prize in 1974. He was also conferred with Padma Vibhushan in 1968 by Government of India and was also Fellow of Royal Society. He became citizen of United States in 1953. Next physicist I do want to discuss here, he is Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai, or Vikram Sarabhai, generally his name was called. He was a very reputed Indian physicist who was regarded the father of India's space program, hailing from a rich Gujarati family. Sarabhai was one of key people in the establishment of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. His emphasis on the importance of introducing the space program in India led to NASA launching the Satellite Instructional Television Experiment SITE in 1975. Although he was not alive at that time, he was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966 and Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 1972. Next physicist I do want to discuss here, his name is G.N. Ramachandran. G.N. Ramachandran, his full name was Gopal Samudram Narayan Iyer Ramachandran, was a famous Indian physicist who was known for creating Ramachandran plot. He did his research work in X-ray microscope and crystal physics during his stint as the HOD of Madras University. He did his doctoral studies under the guidance of Dr. C.V. Raman. He founded the Molecular Biophysics Unit at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. Next physicist I do want to discuss here, he is Jayant Narlikar. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar is an Indian astrophysicist along with Sir Fred Hoyle. He developed the Hoyle-Narlikar theory, a principle in gravitational studies. According to this theory, the gravitational constant, that is capital G, strongly decreases with the time. He was an alumni of Banaras Hindu University and later studied at the University of Cambridge. Apart from his studies in cosmology, Narlikar was appointed as a chairperson of Advisory Group for Textbook in Science and Mathematics, a committee of NCERT which is responsible for developing science and mathematics textbook. He was a recipient of Adams Prize in 1967. He was conferred with Padma Bhushan in 1965 and Padma Vibhushan in 2004 by Government of India.